What is it like trying to pet each chicken? Only one way to find out. It's pet Dangerfloof. Got her. She's a fuzzy little one, isn't she? Hey, what's it like to try to pet Willow? See that? That's our target. Willow! It's okay, Willow. It's okay. Willow? Look, Willow, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look. It's okay. It's okay. She's a bit skittish. Okay. What's it like trying to pet Deathy? It's okay, Deathy. It's okay. It's okay. Look, Deathpeck. Look, Deathy. I don't want to cause any trouble over here. See? Okay, he's pretty calm. Right now, this poor little one's molting. Well, not very little at all. But yeah, molting means not very affectionate. Picking up Drusilla. Moral of the story, you can't pick up Drusilla when you're holding a tablet. Let's try to pick up Chris James. Yeah, she's a good chick, huh? Let's try to get Cordelia. It's a good chicken. Alright, there we go. Pretty simple.